How to fix AI chats aren't available to everyone problem. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, swipe left and head over to your chat section. You should see Ask Meta AI or search at the very top. Tons of different prompts will also be visible to you. But for you, if it is not available to you and you are not being able to chat with AI, then what you want to do is, you will need to go back to your home page and then head over to the App Store. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app right here. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Move into application Instagram and tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Once it has been offloaded, move into your application Instagram and then log into your specific account once again. After that, the AI chat should be available to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.